Why your phone no dey charge fast, even without fast or RIMO cord? Sometimes, you go see charging, but after 4 hours, your phone still dey 19%. Wow. So wetin really come happen? Make we break am down like groundnut. First, you gats understand your phone charging system. Charging no be just plug and pray, then wait for the thing to increase, or just plug and wait, then wait for magic to happen. E get wetin dey control am. One of them na the charger head, that is the adapter. This na where the power dey come from. The other one na the cable, that is the USB cord. This one na the road where the current dey take waka. The charging port, where the road enter your phone. Then you come get the charging IC and power circuits. The brain when dey manage the power when they enter your battery. Then the battery itself, the general overseer, where all the power dey store. So why that your fast or RIMO cord come dey slow like snail? Yes, you buy fast cord, maybe even the original, but here is why your cord alone cannot give you fast charge. One, na the charger head first. If your charger head na like 5 watts, that's all those small phones. Even if your RIMO cord na 100 watts turbojet, e no go still charge fast. You need high watt charger, like 18 watts, 25 watts, or even 33 watts. For some phones, not all phones accept fast charge. Some phones, especially budget phones, no dey support fast charge. Even if you bring transformer to take charge am, e go still drain the power like pure water sachet. You see, cord plus charger must match first. If your cord clean like express road, no pothole, no hold up, everywhere good, but your charger head be like keke, the journey goes still slow. The road and the engine must match for the journey to smooth. Charging port don spoil, make we change the full down board. I don't know whether that kind of thing don't ever occur to our mind before. But make I tell you something. Sometimes, if you go where they work your phone, you will tell Oga technician, Oga repairer, abeg, I want change my down board, the full complete panel. You go do and collect money, but make I tell you one truth where you need to know. Sometimes, now only the charging ports fit don spoil. You fit replace only the ports, clean and wear, and the phone go still work very okay. Changing the full panel fit affect the mic, network, or even reduce the sound quality, cause na there the mouthpiece dey too. Factory fitted board get better components, and aftermarket ones, e no fit reach that level at all. And some sef even spoil after 1 week. Then go dey hear something like, my network no dey catch well again. So if na only your port spoil, save your money, change only the ports. No go talk about current versus voltage. And before you put out your cord for mouth, it's common time, you no be electrician. I want to teach you something we need to know. Some of them when like to dey put cord for mouth to test whether current dey pass. That way dey feel na just presence of voltage, no be the current. Voltage na the push, while current na the flow. Shey dey grab abi? What really charges your phone na the current, not the voltage. For example, if you put your battery for tongue, you go feel small tingling current. You no mean say that battery full or fit on your phone. That one means say there's a presence of voltage inside that battery, but if you know dey enough to transfer current enter your phone to power your device. Now the same thing dey happen for cord. Voltage fit dey the cord, but the current no dey comot, so you no fit charge your phone. Shey understand the logic now? So next time wey dey bend your cord, dey tell am like juju so that your phone fit charge. Just know say that phone no go charge because the current no dey move. If it dey show you charging signal, e no mean say the percentage go increase, e go remain where e dey. Before you buy any charger, the wattage dey very important. It matters a lot. If you wan buy replacement charger, check the wattage of the one wey dey your phone before you replace am. Again, you wey dey go plug your phone for ex ten sion wey carry iron, DSTV, all your neighbor's phone dey for that extension, or even for generator when dey cough like 80 years old man, you go carry your phone plug there. That phone no go charge fast. Or you see USB port for laptop, you carry your USB go plug there, leave your phone there. My brother, na slow death e dey fine for that phone. So wetin you go do to make your phone charge well? Use the correct wattage of your phone. If your phone na 18 watts, 25 watts, 33 watts, use the reciprocate charger for am. And may no go dey buy cord, dey buy extension, dey buy USB cord when the real culprit na your battery. How you go think know say your battery don spoil? If you charge your phone now, e reach 80%, before you go cross main road, e don drop to 40%, your battery don spoil. Or you charge your phone, e dey off, you dey charge am 80%, as e on finish, e go down to 50%. Or you charge am, e dey see 15%, e on the phone, e dey see 88%, battery don spoil. Change your battery. Another sign wey you go think know say your battery don spoil, if your phone dey overheat, dey hot like fresh agege bread, change your battery. If your phone dey reboot, dey restart anyhow, any small thing your phone don off, e go on am back, or sometimes e go off dey on itself, change your battery. So, in conclusion of the whole matter, Oraimo cord no be magic. Charger head and the phone type matters a lot. Stop changing complete panel anyhow, every time, complete panel. Try to change port first. No dey tie your USB cord. No dey tie am, no be juju be that. And don't put your mouth in your USB to know if it's passing current, no be sweet. To the test things, always check your battery health. Sometimes, battery fit be the real ogbonge. And if you don't watch this video from beginning to end, and you see discover say your phone dey charge, e no dey rise, I no know the problem. No be your phone be the problem. The problem now na common sense.